I could hear that zoom, boom, boom, boom. If you hear the beat, it has a bass. Boom, 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 boom. I remember this one time while I was listening to it over and over, and I remember I think I was doing my morning routine training, as I always do, listening to songs, and I thought about dropping it to say, okay, what if it had like a, you know, just like a peak, if you see those frequencies, you know, like a high and lows. That's then I heard in my spirit, lapho ubumnyama busibekela, ukhanya wakho buyangihola, wangibiza ngegama, ngingowakho, umusa wakho mabonakale kimi. And I thought about the dum 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 dum, ngegazi likaJesu ngikhululiwe. I remember when I first received the verse. I mean, I remember the first time I received the beat when it was La busy people zishaye emnyango umama tolo, and I wanted that ebuthaga phansi ngikhumbule Calvary, you see, negazi umsinga wokuphila ukhulula umoya ongcwele shisa umlilo wenkosi kimi. And then I wanted also to have the Mapiano. There is a way that they sing, which is so I also wanted to have those dynamics in it. And then but as I sat on the song, when I thought about the longer version, then because I want certain textures, you will hear some of the songs, they've got da 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 or da 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 da. That's a signature I wanted to continue as well. And then I also wanted no moyo vute angiyeki ungixwayisa umlilo wegolide ngihamba ngokholo hayi ngamehlo izwi lakho lidlula ulwandle lapho ubumnyama busibekela ukukhanya kwakho kuyangihola wangibiza ngegama ngingowakho umuso wakho mawubonakale kimi ngimethwalele linganyakazi umusa wakho yisihlangu sami ngimemezela ukunqoba kwakho ngoba uJesu uyaphila ayingamandla ayingamaqebo ngoba yakho uyavuka. So I kept on playing ayingama and then the other dynamics we added after, like which is something I usually prefer to do, to say let's do some of the BVs first.